Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset for your headphones Baseus Bowie H1. So firstly, we need to unpair these headphones from your phone. To do this, open Settings and go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones and then forget this device and forget device. Now, your headphones shouldn't be connected with another device and you should see that the LED light blinking white and red. After that, on the right ear cup, we have volume up button, would have a plus icon and volume down button. You need to press and hold it at the same time for something like 4 seconds. Now we see that it starts blinking red. Excellent. Now we need to add these headphones to your phone. So if you have Android, click Pair New Device at the top, and on iOS, as you can see, I have these headphones. So I can also turn off and turn on the Bluetooth if you cannot see them, and then tap at your headphones at the device list, and we just reconnect them. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!